Time for the big announcement. Are you a marketing coordinator, a manager, a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a thought leader that needs to master social media or needed to master it yesterday? Are you ready to create real impact with your social media and see tangible results? Sounds familiar. You're frustrated and tired of taking course after course in social media and not being really able to implement the tools and tactics that you learned? You exhausted from spending so much time on social media and not seeing results? Or maybe you're struggling with keeping up with Facebook and Instagram changing so rapidly. You think your team or you are doing an okay job with your social media, but really you're not sure how to track the results? Or do you really know that you should be upping your game with social media to benefit your business, but you're kind of frozen? I have the solution for you. It is called The Art of Social Media, and it's a 4-week group training program for social media marketing proficiency. If you want more information or to be added to the wait list, please email me hello@catherineair.ca or message me. I will make sure your name is on there and you can find out more. This is a program you do not want to miss. I changed wardrobe 4 times to this video because I so miss dressing